To initiate your number transfer from Metro by T-Mobile, first ensure your account is active and in good standing with no outstanding balances exceeding $100. Next, gather essential information, including your Metro account number, billing PIN, or last four digits of your Social Security number, and your device's IMEI or MEID. Contact Metro through the My Metro app, their website, or by calling 1-800-86-62453 to start the porting process. Metro now requires multi-factor authentication for security, such as voice or SMS confirmation to verify your request and prevent unauthorized porting. Be ready to provide proof of ownership, such as the last four digits of your SIM card or your account password. Once initiated, Metro submits your request to the National Portability Administration Center for processing. After Metro verifies your port-out request, the number transfer typically takes 1 to 2 business days, though it may extend during peak periods. You'll receive SMS confirmations throughout the process. Once approved, activate your service with the new carrier, which deactivates your Metro SIM. Note that porting is irreversible once complete. To avoid prorated fees, ensure your Metro plan ends around the porting time, particularly for prepaid plans. Metro also offers Port Protect, an opt-in feature that alerts you before a port is approved, adding an extra layer of consent. Always back up your contacts, as the SIM swap might reset some features. If you encounter issues or delays, contact the FCC's Consumer Complaint Center.